everyone! Today we're going to make a super simple smashed cucumber salad. Why do we smash a cucumber? By smashing it, we can get the juice out and also can get more flavor in. First, let's smash the cucumber. To prevent the cucumber from spreading all over the place, I have a plastic wrap to cover it. Now we use our strings. We open it. You can see a lot of juice come out. Now we can just cut it into pieces. Next, we're going to make the dressing. We'll add a little bit of salt in the cucumber. To make the dressing, we use light soy sauce and rice vinegar, half tablespoon. This is a homemade chili oil. So if you're like me, you cannot eat raw garlic. So I have the garlic water. But if you like raw garlic, you just add garlic, minced garlic. So we use the water. One more. Mix this up. Pour into a cucumber. Toss it together. And if you don't mind cilantro, you just garnish with some cilantro. Now our salad is ready. Very refreshing smashed cucumber salad. Before you serve it, you can chill in the refrigerator for a few minutes, will be even better. Big shout out to my producer, Raymond Lake. His new album, Ideas, on Amazon, Spotify, iTunes, Smooth Jazz. Please check it out. I will leave the link in the message box. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.